Hi, my name is Gaurav Malhotra. I am the Executive Chef of Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center and Hyderabad International Convention Center. So today I am going to do an Italian salad which is called Caprese. But today something different I will do is I will do this salad my way. So it's a deconstructed Ensalada Caprese salad which will contain 3 different types of tomatoes, 3 different preparations of tomatoes basically. So the first preparation I've done is I've dried the tomatoes. So they're semi-dried tomatoes. They're dried for almost 7 to 8 hours, which are marinated with basil, olive oil, salt, pepper. And after that I'm going to use some fresh tomatoes, nice ripe tomatoes. We don't want any raw tomatoes to be used in this. Has to be nice and juicy, a bit sweet and also in taste. And the third one I'm going to use is cherry tomatoes. I've confit these tomatoes for 6 to 7 hours. Basically it's a process of slow cooking till the time you retain the flavors and textures of the whole vegetable over here. With this I'm going to use a bocconcini cheese. Bocconcini is an Italian cheese. It's a soft cheese, fresh, made with fat milk. I've got fresh basil which will be used as well for the flavors, some pepper, salt, and not least but pesto. So pesto is a very common a marinade or a sauce or anything you can use in Italian. It's made with basil, pine nuts, garlic, salt, pepper, parmesan cheese. And what I do different over here is I add a bit of balsamic vinegar to it, which is the black balsamic. It gives a bit of the sourness to the whole marinade. So we're going to start preparing the salad. Very easy to do at home. Just a little bit of time on a nice Sunday, you can make a fresh salad. So what I'll do is I'll start with the cheese. I'll start cutting the cheese first. So nice and soft cheese. If you have a sharp knife, will be great. Then we'll cut the tomatoes. So tomatoes also we're going to cut in wedges. So we have a bit of uniformness in the salad when we're making. We cut the tip part out. Slice them into half and then into half and again into a bit of wedges. So the tomatoes are nice, soft and ripe, and then we have the sun-dried tomatoes. So these are already soaked in water, so they become soft. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to assemble the dish, the salad on the slate, and then make it look pretty. So I'll add some pesto to the base first, and then just deconstruct the salad with cherry tomatoes, with fresh tomatoes, and some cheese. Almost there. And then we add the confit tomatoes right on top of them. So we'll add a bit of balsamic glaze to give a little bit of sweetness. It's just basically balsamic vinegar reduced with sugar. Becomes a bit thick. We add it to the salad to give the bit of sourness and the sweetness. So just a bit of drizzle on the top. You can see right there. Garnish. I'll do a little bit of pesto, some flour, some basil, and all my stuff. So we'll just add a little bit of the left pesto on top, just to give a bit of flavor to that. We'll add some fresh basil. We just tear the basil and we throw around. Again, we don't chop the herbs so that we don't lose flavor from it. So we just add some microgreens. These ones are coriander, and we're just going to cut them a little bit and just throw them around so that they look nice, colorful. So not last but the least, we add some black pepper on top. Drizzle with some olive oil. So that's the Caprese salad. My way, it's deconstructed with three preparations of tomatoes, bocconcini cheese, a lot of flavor, a lot of freshness. I think it's amazing to have this with a glass of wine probably on a Sunday. And till then, thank you.